Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a really quick trick on how to soften up and blend edges when you've done something and it's too strong or too harsh. You're going to need a gorgeous, dirty, rank looking makeup sponge, triangular one, very important, not a beauty blender. You're going to need your favorite concealer or foundation. However, it works better if it's a cream. I'm going to use Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of it and just kind of knock it off on the back of my hand so that there's just a smattering on there. This shade is my skin tone. This is where the beauty of this sponge comes in. I would love to take credit for this, but however, Joe Blasco and of course the legendary Alexis Vogel, they were really doing this, and a million other people way before I ever did it. What I want you to do is start at the high point. So for me, it's here. And you're just using the tip of the sponge to blend away some of the harshness. And because you're using your own foundation color, you're taking away a lot of that intensity and just softening the edges and blending them out. And be very subtle. Do not put too much pressure on at all. And already that deep color is starting to blend into my skin tone a little bit more. And I'm just going to go right here, soften the edges. It's one of my favorite ways of softening things because you're using your own skin color to work a product that's just too much. I'm just going to add a little bit of foundation just to this outside corner. But just that few tiny little steps can instantly soften a look that you think is too strong, is too hard, just by blending in and blending away some of the hard edges. And you're really pushing it out. You're blending that color out to soften it. And it's just a really cool way of being able to fix something at the end. Just dropping everything today. Fix something at the end that just didn't work out too well. And it is my favorite way of blending an eyeshadow because you're taking your own skin color and blending it into your own skin color. So simple. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye bye.